Hey guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager, and in this video I'm going to show you how to map your registration input fields to your Mailchimp dashboard. Okay, so it's called attribute mapping and it's pretty simple. I'll show you how to do it in a moment. So let's get started by going to our Mailchimp page for our WP Event Manager in the backend side, and over here you will see like the registration field mapping with Mailchimp. Okay, so in right hand side you will find the Mailchimp fields, and in the left hand side you will find the registration fields. Okay, so each drop down will have a selector where you will be able to select all the registration fields that's present in the website. So to make sure, we can open the registration form in a new tab. And by the way, this like section over here is because of our registration add-on that we have installed in this website. So you see we have by default two input fields over here for our registration form that we can select from here as well. So we have selected full name and email address over there, and then we are mapping our full name to our Mailchimp field called first name. Okay, since Mailchimp doesn't allow us to like use a unified name such as full name, so we are adding it to first name, and we are adding email address to email field. Okay, so this is automatic. You don't have to do any coding at all. You map your fields over here. Let's say if you create a custom field over here, then map it to your Mailchimp field. If you create like a registration field called country, then you can map it to country field over here as well for your Mailchimp dashboard. Okay, so when you are done mapping, you can save these changes. Then whenever a registration happens in the front end side, the registration data that user will provide will get sent to your Mailchimp dashboard as well. So this first name, this email, like this, all the fields over here you will be able to see on your Mailchimp dashboard over here. As you can see, email address, first name, last name, address, phone number, birthday, like all of them are visible over here in this table. So those are the fields we are providing you over here, so you can sync your registration data with your Mailchimp account. Okay, so one thing keep in mind when you are working with this mapping over here, make sure you have correctly configured your sync settings. Okay, so over here I am now using a global list for our all data sync. So Mailchimp does allows you to create multiple lists for multiple purpose, but that requires a pro subscription. So if you want to sync per event based data to a list or like a separate list, you can do that. So we give you the ability to do that. You have to select event based selection, then for each events you have to assign a new list. So how to do that, I'm going to show you very quickly. Let's go to front end side and to event dashboard. So let's switch to event based selection and let's save our settings. Then we can like come to our event dashboard, and like to sync your data to a different list than the global settings, you can click on this details button, and when the global setting is disabled, okay, you will be able to select a custom list or like a specified list for that particular event. Okay, so for events that you don't like include a Mailchimp list, they won't get synced to a Mailchimp dashboard, so keep that in mind. So whenever you like select per event based selection, you can like come to your event dashboard, assign a list to your event and call it a day like this. Okay, so this is gonna get automatically saved, so nothing to worry about there. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much concludes this video. I know this video might get a little bit confusing, so let me summarize this what's going on over here. Registration field or like registration add-on of our WP Event Manager, which handles the registration for our events in the front end side, that takes the user data and supplies it to our Mailchimp add-on, and then Mailchimp add-on sends the data or like syncs that data with the Mailchimp dashboard of yours. So you will have an email list that you can use for further communication or like marketing for with your users. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's pretty much concludes this video. Let us know in the comment if you have confusion. I'll be sure to help you out in there. And until next time, I'm Shara saying goodbye. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.